use a frying pan / skillet. When you see the cooking oil smoking a little bit, it's ready for frying. Escoveitched seasoned fish fillet on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, totaling 6 to 8 minutes. If need to, fry the fish for 10 or 12 minutes. Do not use flour. Make sure you fry the fish good like this. This is Escoveitched Fish Fillet, fried boneless fish. Eat Escoveitched fish for dinner with rice, cooked food and gravy, pasta, salad, etc. Or do like me, make a fish sandwich. Until next time, Megan, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.